Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the spider stitch. This stitch is multiple of 8 stitches plus 11. So you have to make a chain of 8 plus 8 plus 8. Repeat to have the length of the stitch that you want, and then add 11 stitches, 11 chain. Start the row number 1 with a chain 1, and make 4 single crochet. Continue with chain 5, skip 3 stitches on the chain and make 5 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Chain 5, skip 3 stitches and 5 single crochet. Chain 5, skip 3 stitches and 5 single crochet. Once you are at the end, you have to finish with a chain 5, skip the 3 stitches, and you have 4 stitches, so you have to make 4 single crochet. Row number 2, you have to chain 1, turn, and make 3 single crochet. You have to skip the last single crochet and chain 3, one single crochet on the chain 5 space, chain 3, skip the first single crochet that you find, make 3 single crochet, chain 3 again, one single crochet on the chain 5 space, chain 3, and again 3 single crochet on the 3 single crochet of the middle of the 5 single crochet of the previous row. Chain 3 again, one single crochet on the chain 5 space, chain 3 again, and this is what you have to repeat to the end. And once you are at the end, you have to make three single crochet on the 3 last stitches. Row number 3, you have to start with a chain 1, two single crochet, chain 3, where you have the single crochet, you have to make a single crochet on the chain before the single crochet. Here you have to make a single crochet, one single crochet on the single crochet, and one single crochet after the single crochet on the following chain. Continue with chain 3, one single crochet on the single crochet of the middle of the 3 single crochet of the previous row, and then repeat the same to the end. Chain 3, 3 single crochet, one before the single crochet, one on the single crochet, one after the single crochet, and then continue with chain 3, one single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Chain 3, one single crochet, chain 3, 3 single crochet. Once you're at the end, you have to finish with a chain 3 and 2 single crochet. On the row number 4, you have to start with chain 3, turn, make 2 double crochet, and you have to make a chain 3, and when you have the 3 single crochet, you have to make 5 single crochet. You have to make the same that you made before, 1 single crochet on the chain before the 3 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 1 single crochet after the 3 single crochet. So you have 5 single crochet, and then you have to repeat to the end, chain 5, and make 5 single crochet on the following space where you have the 3 single crochet. Chain 5, and 5 single crochet where you have the 3 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to chain 3 and finish with 2 double crochet. row number 5 you have to chain 1, turn 2 single crochet, and make a chain 3, three single crochet. Where you have the 5 single crochet you have to make only 3 single crochet, so skip the first stitch, make the 3 single crochet and skip the last single crochet, and then repeat to the end. Chain 3, 1 single crochet on the chain 5 space, chain 3, three single crochet in the middle, chain 3, 1 single crochet on the chain 5 space, chain 3, and 3 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to chain 3, finish with 2 single crochet. Row number 6, chain 1, turn 3 single crochet, and repeat to the end. Chain 3, 1 single crochet in the middle of the 3 single crochet of the previous row, chain 3, when you have the single crochet you have to make 1 single crochet before the single crochet, 1 single crochet in the middle, 1 single crochet after the single crochet. You have 3 single crochet where you had on the previous row, 1 single crochet, and then chain 3, 1 single crochet in the middle of the 3 single crochet of the previous row, chain 3 again, and 3 single crochet. Remember, where you have the 1 single crochet you have to make 3 single crochet and repeat to the end. And once you're at the end, you have to make chain 3 and 3 single crochet. And on the row number 7, you have to repeat the row number 1 to make a chain 1, turn and make 4 single crochet, and repeat to the end. Chain 5, and 5 single crochet, chain 5 and 5 single crochet, and you have to repeat the 6 rows to have the spider stitch. You have to repeat the 6 row. The row number 7 is like the row number 1. Repeat the same to the end. And once you have the repetitions that you want, you only have to cut the yarn and block the stitch. Remember that it is a reversible stitch.